National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ward County in north-central North Dakota, Bottineau County in north-central North Dakota, Renville County in north-central North Dakota, McHenry County in north-central North Dakota, until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Antler to 7 miles south of Maxbass to 4 miles northeast of Makoti, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Minot, Bottineau, Velva, Burlington, Surrey, Mohall, Towner, Berthold, Westhold, Glenburn, Sawyer, Lansford, Sherwood, Granville, Des Lacs, Willow City, Carpio, Upham, Foxholm, and Newburgh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.